Hi, I'm Julie and I'm a public adjuster with Monarch Claims, and I'm here with Fabricio.
Hello.
We're at an inspection today for a hurricane damage that resulted in multiple leaks inside the home that led to mold in areas that were not easily visible. So let's take a look inside. So when dealing with mold, it is very important that you let an expert handle it. You need to properly contain it, as they did here. They have taken mold samples to send to a lab and know exactly what kind of mold it is and what the proper protocol is to take care of it. So this here, there was a direct opening in the roof in the exterior, had the water trickle down this wall. There was a piece of furniture here that made it very difficult for this homeowner to detect this mold until she smelled the moisture in this room, moved some things around, and then she found this right here. And this is the proper way to handle this situation. Mold is usually found in areas that are hard to see, such as behind cabinets, drywalls, inside closets, behind furniture. And if you come with me, I'll show you what we found in this home, in this closet up here. The homeowner hadn't noticed these mold stains right here. It was behind a comforter and some other household items that she had up there. So these are the kind of things that we usually look for. Give us a call. We'll do a free inspection of your home, free evaluation of your policy, and help you find hidden areas such as this one. As we saw on this property, the mold that we found in the closet behind some furniture was a result of a roof leak caused by some wind damage to the roof. In a case like that, there was a covered loss. It triggered the mold coverage. If you're not sure if you have mold coverage or if your loss is covered, give us a call and we'll help you figure that out. Now, it is harmful to your health, to your pets, children, people with allergies and asthma. So it is very important that if you do find mold, don't try to treat it at home. Don't put bleach on it. Give us a call, have an expert check it out, test it, and give you the proper protocol to take care of the mold.